I've got a quick unboxing for you. This is the Vosteed Raccoon. This is the black micarta handle with the satin blade. This was wrapped in plastic. I ripped that off to save a little time. Got a smooth, pretty nice case here. Let's open that up. It lifts right up. Got a little zipper pouch here. We've got some instructions, or let's see what this is. So there is your 30-day warranty. Some information on how to maintain your knife. Safety guidelines. There are your springs. Or a little eyeglass cloth. And a patch. Velcro pouch and patch. Sticker. Alright, let's get to the knife. Be micarta handle. Look at the pocket clip. Got their logo on it. Let's get that first flick. This is the access lock. It's very smooth. This is a real light flick, not trying to be fast, but it is very smooth. Take a look at that blade. Hit that flash. And this is going to be your blade steel 14C28N, 14C2 or 14C28N. So here's a couple of my favorites, and size comparison we'll do here. So it's the famous Gerber Strong Arm. It's my second one. Great knife. It's the Buck 110 Ranger Pro, micarta handle, S30V Boss heat treated. Here is the K-bar Dozier. This is the original $20 knife. So, very well used. And here is a Benchmade. Also, this is the Mel Pardue. So this is a knife I carried all the time for work. Cut the seals off my my trailer. All sorts of this has been through me through thick and thin. It's been ran over with a semi truck. Still sharp. Just a good knife right here. It's probably the best knife you can get for under $25 or $20, wherever it's at right now. And then they got the D2 steel version. Great knife. So this is a knife I've been carrying now for when I go out. Also carry this while I'm at work. One time it's not good is if I'm in like gym shorts or I'm going to the gym, because it is a little bit heavier. But I mean, this is a very, very stout, well-made knife. Truly a classic, and it's a great knife. I'm actually going to pick up another one of these, but the 112, the bigger version. And here it is next to the Kaiser original XL. So I can take a look. It actually came very sharp out of the box. So, you know, this is a really thin blade. Just to show you. That's this book. Look at how thick that is. Definitely a nice slicer. I'm gonna actually carry this with me and take it to work. Bring it out with me. And every package I get in the mail, I'm gonna open up with it. If I'm working on my semi or cutting seals off the trailer when I get the shipping and receivers. Be cutting those pretty much wherever, whenever I'm going to be using it. Doesn't have really, it's got no forward and back play. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, so you've got no play forward or back. The access lock's doing a great job. And the side to side is barely anything at all. I mean, really nothing. The Kaiser, on the other hand, it's definitely got some wiggle. Nothing forward and back, but it does have some side to side slop. I'm wondering if that will be different with the titanium version or the aluminum version, if it will be a tighter. But you know, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna send this one back, but very well pleased. I'm gonna go out there on a limb and say that this is probably the best knife you can get for sub $50, under $50. I mean, it's a really good one. But as you can see, You know, actually, I've got several. I probably got about another 2 dozen knives, but you know, these are all knives that I actually buy with my money, and you know, I really use them. And I'm seeing videos. Like I found out about this knife and the Kaiser from. You know, it looks like these guys are just getting paid to pump these videos out, or they're getting free knives because they're telling you they're carrying the knife for 6 weeks, a month, and they don't have one mark on them or scratch on them. They don't look used at all. So I'm actually going to use these, and I'll probably do like a 30, 60 day follow up and an actual second look at them. See how it goes. See how they hold up. Any problems, I'll make a video. But stay tuned. I'll be picking up a good amount of knives in the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna try to pick up some more micarta handles and some G10 lightweights. Take care. Shiba Inu's going crazy.